How to delete Snapchat account on mobile. If any day you would like to delete your Snapchat account on your mobile phone, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Snapchat on your mobile phone. For that, you have to tap on Snapchat on your mobile phone. After this, your Snapchat will be launched. And then you have to go to the profile section on the top side and then go to the settings on the top right. After that, you have to scroll down until you find the option of I need help, and then you have to tap on the option of I need help. After you tap on the option of I need help, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait until your internet connection will load it because it may be the problem of your internet connection for slow loading and all of these. So you have to either check whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a data connection and whether your Wi-Fi or the data connection is stable or not as well. And you have to wait until the I need help option will be loaded. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is in order to delete your account in the very Snapchat account, there may be two options. One step is direct the delete account may be soon in most of the mobile phones out there if they have the paid subscription of the Snapchat. But if you do not have the paid subscription on Snapchat, then you have to wait until the position of I need help. And after that, you have to see the very option like this. Now you have to search the very option of delete my account. And after you tap on the option of delete my account, now you will see the next interface, that is how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat. And here a lot of things will be here. Now you have to go to the option of Snapchat accounts portal. And when you go to the option of the Snapchat account portal, now you'll see the very account portal of your Snapchat where you have to log in with your very of your credential. That will be a login email or the phone number, or it may be a login password and all of these. And you have to wait for a while until the Snapchat portal will open. And when the Snapchat portal will open there, you have to log in your very credentials out there. And after that, you can delete your very account from the Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video. And if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.